Hi everyone, today we are reading From Puppy to Guide Dog. Think in your head, is this fiction or nonfiction? If you said nonfiction, you are correct, and the pictures help us know that. Our question says, how do people work with animals? Ready? Begin. From Puppy to Guide Dog. We'll read the big part first, the side by the dog, then we'll read the black words. Ready? Begin. A buddy to be. Mickey is a cute and clever puppy. He runs, jumps, and plays. One day, when he grows up a bit, Mickey will be a helping dog. He will be a daily buddy to a person who cannot see. Ready? Begin. Helping dogs are called guide dogs. To be a guide dog, a puppy must be bright. It cannot be lazy or fussy. The puppy will need to learn many skills. A new home is found for the puppy when it is 8 weeks old. And then this fact says most guide dogs are Labrador retrievers. They are very intelligent and easy to train. Okay, let's read that. The big words first, then the black words. Okay, ready? Begin. A family of trainers. A puppy like Mickey stays with a family for at least 1 year. The family plays with it and feeds it. They help the puppy stay healthy and teach the puppy a lot. It says each puppy has checkups at the vet. Fact, 10,000 people in the U.S. and Canada use guide dogs, so lots of people. Ready? Begin. Each puppy learns how to act nicely with people and with other animals. The family gets the dog used to a lot of tasks and settings. Puppies may visit many kinds of places in the city. They go to homes and shops. And the dog in the crowd, the group of kids, it says this dog watches its favorite team. And then every dog must be trained by itself. Okay, the big words first. Ready? Begin. Learning new tasks. As time goes by, the dogs are trained how to go across the street. The dog stays right near the trainer. It learns to stop at a red signal. This will help the dog safely lead a person who cannot see the traffic. It says fact, guide dogs are allowed in restaurants, stores, school, any place a person can go. And it says this guide dog learns to cross the street. Ready? Begin. Some guide dogs can be trained to help a man or a woman who cannot move or walk. He or she might need help with a lot of hard tasks, both inside and outside the home. It says here, a dog can be trained to get an elevator and to reach objects. See how they're helping the people? Okay, ready? Begin. Eyes and ears. Some dogs are trained to help people who cannot hear. If the dog hears a bell ringing or a yell, it would lightly tug or poke the person with its nose. It says a dog can be taught to alert its owner to sounds. Fact, guide dogs should not be bothered while working. So we don't want to go up to them and pet them because they're doing a job. Ready, begin. Ready to guide. Training a puppy for a year is not an easy job. Owners may call or write to thank the family that raised their puppy. Training a guide dog helps a lot of people. And at the end it says, how does a guide dog get trained to help people? So we just learned about that, didn't we? Okay, everyone, I'll see you later.